Friends, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today I will teach you maths topic multiplication by a one digit number with carry and without carryover. Yes friends, so be ready. Take your notebooks and pencils with you and here we start. Yes, today's topic is multiplication by a one digit number. Firstly, we will do without carryover. This you can better understand with the help of one example. Multiplication of 32 by 3. This is the example given to us. We will solve this step by step. First step is arrange the number column wise. Yes, firstly we will arrange these 32 and 3 according to their places. Yes, what are the places? Ones and tens. We will write 32 according the places and multiply by 3. Then what will be our second step? Firstly we will do multiply the ones. We will do multiplication of 3 and 2. 3 2s the 6. 3 2s the 6. We will write here 6. Then what will be our next step? Next step is multiply the tens. 3 tens multiplied by 3. You can see here 3 tens will be multiplied by 3. 3 3 is the 9. We will write here 9. So what we got? We got 96. So product is 96. Relating to this, see one more example. Multiplication of 423 by 2. Firstly we will write the digits according to the places. 432 and multiplied by 2. We will write like this, and firstly we will do the multiplication of the ones places. 2 2s the 4. Secondly we will do the multiplication of tens digit. 2 3s the 6. Then on the third place is 100. We will do the multiplication of this. 2 4s the 8. See again, firstly ones place 2 2s the 4, then tens place 2 3s the 6, then 100 place 2 4s the 8. So we got the product 864. See one more example relating to this. Yes, what is that example? Multiplication of 4231 by 3. Yes, firstly we will write the digits according to the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 4231 multiplied by 3. Firstly we will do the multiplication of ones place. 3 ones the 3. In second we will do the multiplication of tens place. 3 3s the 9. Then third is we will do the multiplication of 100 place. 3 2s the 6. Then on fourth place 1000 is there. We will do the multiplication relating to that. 3 4s the 12. So what product we got? The product is 12,693. Yes, now next is how to do multiplication with carryover. It's very easy. See it carefully. You can better understand with the help of one example. What is the example? Multiplication of 165 by 3. As we are writing the digits with the help of the place values, we will write 165 and multiplied by 3. Yes, firstly what we will do? We will do the multiplication of ones place. 3 5s are 15. In 15 there are the two digits, but we will write here only ones place digit, that is 5, and 1 will be carried forward on the tens place digit. It will be carried to tens place digit. Now see what we will do the next. Firstly we have done this multiplication. 3 5s are 15 and 1 carries over is here. Then 3 6 the 18. We will get 18 and 1 carried over, that will be added to 18 and we will get 19. What we will get? 19. From 19 we will write only ones place digit, that is 9, and this 1 will be carried forward to 100 place digit. This will be carried forward to 100 place digit. Now see next step what we will do here. Firstly 3 5s are 15, that we have done. 1 is carried forward to tens place. Then 3 6 the 18 and plus 1, that is 19. 1 more is carried forward to 100 place, that is 3 ones the 3, and that 1 will be added in the 3. We will get 4. So what we got? 495. Yes friends, see one more example relating to this. 432 multiplied by 5. Firstly we will write the places and the digits. 100 tens and ones, and we will write the digits according to the places. Multiplied by 5 is there. Firstly 5 2s the 10. From 10 we will write ones place digit 0, and this 1 will be carried forward to tens place. On the tens place there is 3, there will be carried forward 1 here. Yes, what we will do in next step, we will do 5 2s are 10, 1 carries here, 5 3s are 15. Yes, 15 and 1 carried, that will be added here, it will become 16, and from 16 we will write only 6 and 1 will be carried to 100 place. Yes, then see next how we will do the sum. Yes, 5 2s the 10, 1 is carried forward, 5 3s the 15, 15 plus 1 16, and again 1 will be carried to 100 place. 5 4s the 20, and 20 plus 1 it will be 21. So we got the product 2160. Yes friends, hope you have understood this concept of multiplication. Do the practice of sums regularly and have a beautiful day ahead.